In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your broker account using TradingView in 2025. TradingView is a popular platform for traders and investors, offering a range of features that help you analyze financial markets. Today, we'll be guiding you step by step through the process of connecting your broker account. This will make trading directly from TradingView more seamless and convenient. To start off, you'll need to navigate to the TradingView dashboard. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. Accessing your dashboard is as simple as visiting TradingView's main website and signing in with your credentials. The dashboard serves as your central hub, providing easy access to all the features TradingView offers, from charting to trading and beyond. Next, you'll want to locate the trading panel. On your dashboard, look for the panel typically situated towards the bottom of your screen, displaying various options for trading and analysis. The trading panel is integral to connecting your broker account because it gives you a comprehensive view of your trading options. Click on the trading panel. This will open up a list of supported brokers. Once you have the trading panel open, the next step is selecting the broker account you'd like to connect. TradingView collaborates with a variety of trusted brokerage firms, ensuring that you can find and connect with your preferred broker. Take a moment to scroll through the list if needed, or use the search functionality to quickly find your broker. After you found your broker, the next thing you'll want to do is connect your account. This usually involves following a secure sign-in process. You may be prompted to enter your broker account credentials, like your username and password. Some brokers might also request additional verification steps to ensure the connection is secure. Recognize that security protocols are in place to safeguard your information. Once your account is successfully connected, you'll notice that TradingView and your broker's account seem to work together seamlessly. This integration offers you the ability to execute trades directly from TradingView's advanced charts and tools, simplifying the overall trading process. Make sure to explore the various features this connection offers, like real-time data feeds and order execution capabilities. Finally, it's always a good idea to periodically check the connection status of your broker account within TradingView to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you run into any hiccups, both TradingView support and your broker's customer service are excellent resources for troubleshooting. And that wraps up our guide on logging into your broker account through TradingView in 2025. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it leads to a more efficient trading experience. Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.